Subscribe to Highest Good, where we tell you your future.
My dear Aquarius, welcome back. On Monday, the stars are meant for relaxation and renewal. If your boss says otherwise, well, be sure to fit in plenty of me time after hours. Spoiling yourself just a bit does your heart a world of good. A reserve of good humor and strength is also helpful during the emotional upheaval that begins sometime today. What with stormy passions, possessiveness, and more, your life may briefly resemble a soap opera. Enjoy the drama. This weekend, take extra care with others' feelings. Be sweet and it will come back to you tenfold. Prepare yourself for all the goodies coming your way today and also brace up for the not so good things. Find out what's in store for you today. On Tuesday, oppositions are in the stars, romantically speaking, at the beginning of the week, but it's not necessarily a bad thing. You may need to relocate that happy medium between love and work, or it could be a matter of opposites attracting. You might feel like you're being told what to do today, whether by a friend who's full of love advice or by a partner. Acknowledging it and letting it go feels much better than taking it personally. The day brings bountiful, good energy and your head's in the clouds. Perfect for romance. However, too much verbal communication with others may make you feel tired. You should try to avoid speaking much and must not talk about unnecessary things. On Wednesday, you should find some time for yourself rather than directing all your energies towards work. You can even do some reading. Reading some interesting article, material, or book will surely help. You should not just stick to your chair, instead, move around and meet people and talk. You're looking to impress in the midweek, but why go overboard trying when just being yourself is so very impressive? Making others feel important means they'll find you utterly fascinating. Today is all about letting go and letting the romantic chips fall where they may. If it's right, it's right. If not, well, onward and upward. There's drama in the cards when it comes to love. Keep your cool and you'll emerge smelling like a rose. On Thursday, modesty be darned. You're feeling fabulous and showing it. And romance is sitting up and taking notice. Channel any self-criticism about your love life into constructive stuff. If you use that energy to think in innovative ways, there's no stopping you. Those in relationships could be driven slightly batty by your partner's impracticality. Luckily, you're there to step in. Love is low-key for singletons now, but there's definitely stuff going on behind the scenes. You must not take up physically heavy or difficult tasks today. You should instead try light activities. The heavier load may affect you physically. Besides, your logical calculations and people may not go right. On Friday, work could be a hurdle on any romantic plans today, but the stars have some sweet stuff in store for. These are perfect for jovial fun with a date or friends. Expand your definition of the finer things in life and take someone sweet along for the ride. It could get romantic indeed. Your easygoing nature serves you well on Friday and Saturday, when life and love are serving you surprises that may be difficult to interpret. Talking to you feels good even if there's no absolute resolution. Play hard and work hard, so you need a well-balanced diet, plenty of rest and a place where you can relax and recover your energies, both physical and mental. You should not eat on the run, just grabbing whatever takeaway you can get on the spur of the moment. You need to enjoy your food, eat slowly, and avoid coffee, tea, nicotine, and alcohol, which will overstimulate you. You must always carry a bottle of water with you to avoid dehydration. On Saturday, you're just where you want to be today, right in the middle of things, romantically speaking. Make plans, speak your mind, and generally exercise your will. It works well for you. Stay loose. In particular, those in relationships need to say goodbye to stubbornness and hello to new ideas. Try laughing instead of getting wound up. The weekend looks marvelous for romance, full of meaning with lots of sweet mysteries for you to unravel or get deliciously caught up in. Health wise, you will be feeling much better now compared to last week. However, this does not mean that you can be careless or the situation could get worse. This is the best time to start a new fitness regime to get the maximum benefits. Young people should avoid overindulging in alcohol this week. Small children are expected to suffer from stomach aches, so their diet should be monitored closely. On Sunday, you're looking at love in unusually practical, down to earth ways at the week's outset. Concrete values concern you, so delve deep into them, yours and someone else's. The free exchange of ideas get downright hot with a possible merging of the minds on the agenda. Sexy and intellectual, they are two great things that go well together. If you get frustrated by some time spent cooling your heels, just wait for Sunday. It kicks off a couple of days of superlative possibilities in the realm of romance. This week, do not consume anything that is considered to be bad for your health. Unhealthy habits are likely to have a very bad effect on you this week and could lead to problems that may trouble you for a very long time. This is also not a good time to travel, as a journey will have an adverse effect on your health and also increase your stress levels.
Money and career.
On Monday, the day may not be very encouraging for you. More efforts are required from your side. You may also not be able to gain clarity. This could lead you to take some wrong decisions which could prove detrimental for you. You have to display more intelligence in carrying out your activity. You will find the day with obstacles. It will be wise to take things easy, as this will guide you towards happiness. You could also experience a sense of loss. Avoid taking major decisions for the day. On Tuesday, this could very well turn out to be a glorious day for you. By taking sincere efforts, you will achieve wonders. Engaging yourself in spiritual activities will also give you happiness and satisfaction. Due to disturbances in your mind, you will delay carrying out your normal routine. There are also chances for you to lose some valuable possessions due to your negligence. On Wednesday, an open mind will help to utilize opportunities well. You need to capitalize on such options and situations to achieve the best on this day. You can spend the day pursuing matters of spiritual interest. The only way to keep yourself relaxed and calm is by means of observing prayers. The day requires you to use your intelligence to achieve your objectives. You need to be tactful in handling the matters of the day. You also need to be relaxed and avoid frustrations to experience better results. On Thursday, you find relief by involving yourself in spiritual matters. Observe some prayers and meditation, and this will help you to bring happiness. Be more cheerful and spot a smile on your face. Your mind will be devoted to spiritualism. Involving yourself in such matters will give you more relief. On Friday, you could be stressed out mentally. Getting involved in spiritual pursuits will bring relief for you. Make sure you retain the idea of improving yourself, as this will help you. The day will keep you busy and active. You will also experience happiness over your progress. You can pursue useful decisions that will help promote your interests. This could turn out to be a favorable day for you. An optimistic attitude enables you to fulfill your ambitions. You will also be in a position to gain new contacts and widen your friend circle. On Saturday, you need to develop more patience. Earning the goodwill of people is most essential. You also need to develop more courage. You might face some hurdles on this day. Avoid taking major decisions. Be open and positive in your mind. Your actions will be quick and you will be able to discharge your responsibilities easily. Your dreams will be realized and you will have the positive mindset to attain your objectives easily. On Sunday, you will be blessed with a broader vision on this day. This will enable you to accomplish your objectives easily. Your sincere approach will pave the way for stupendous success to follow. Involving yourself in charitable deeds and spiritual practices will bring you a lot of relief. The day promises to be good for achieving success. You will possess the determination and courage to act swiftly, and you will do this with much grace. You will also possess all the abilities that will bring out your potential.
To get your daily prediction updates from our team of psychics, subscribe to Highest Good and click on the bell notification and never miss a prediction.